Hey guys, it's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to recreate this beautiful colorful look from Cardi B's video, I Like It. Because when I saw this look, I was like, ow. And not only was I like that, but I was like, you can use your new palette. Because I bought that palette just to experiment with color. And yeah, so I was like, you need to challenge yourself. Don't be scared. Don't be running away. Okay? So yeah, I didn't run away. And then this is the look. And I'm so happy I did it. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, let's get on to the video.
The truth.
Okay babes, so I'm going to start with Urban Decay's Primer Potion, just so my eyeshadow doesn't crease throughout the day. Then using Tarte's palette, I'm going to use the color S'more, just to put a wash of color. Then I'm going to use my NYX Brights palette, and this is when the game starts. So I'm going to start with the pink, and I'm just going to put it in the outer corner. Keep in mind this is gonna kind of be like a colorful halo look, and then also just make sure that the colors are very well blended, just so it just looks like a soft rainbow. Then I go with this yellow and I do it in my inner corner. And then after, I just grab the same blending brush that I used for the pink, and I'm just going to merge both colors together so there's just like a seamless transition between both. Okay, now I grab the lighter yellow and I'm just blending it with the top inner corner color, and I'm just going to bring it down to my lower lid to the first third in my inner corner. Then I grab the lime green and I just put it in the middle. Then I grab the teal color and I just make sure all three colors are blended. Then I just go in with the pinkish purple color just to deepen out the outer corner, and just like I've been emphasizing in the whole video, make sure you blend. Blending is what's gonna make or break this look. Now, using Essence Super Last eyeliner, I just create a wing liner look. And as always, I just make sure it looks sharp and ready to shank a hoe. Using Clinique's High Impact Mascara, I just put that on my top and bottom lashes. Then I pop on some false lashes and put on a pink blush. Then using Becca's Champagne Pop Highlighter, I just highlight my face. Using a NYX liner, I just line my lips just so the application of lipstick is neat. Now I grab Bite Cosmetics lipstick in the color Chai, and I just put it on my lips. Now I just grab Laura Mercier's translucent shade and just put it on top of my lips just to mattify the lipstick. This is the final look, you guys. Isn't it just like fun in your eyes? If you're like me and you're afraid of color, don't be afraid of color, okay? I just love Cardi B, you guys. She's a bad okay? She's over there like recording and working at 4 a.m. when she's a pregante. She's fucking pregnant, you guys, and she's working at 4 a.m. Like, that's amazing. And just like in any other video, don't forget to subscribe and press on the notification bell in order for you guys to be the first to watch my videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.